If you've ever picked up a prescription, chances are you've interacted with a pharmacy technician. These employees assist pharmacists in working with customers, distributing prescriptions, calculating dosages, and more. If you're interested in a healthcare career that allows you to work closely with people and provide an important medical service, then UMA's pharmacy technician training might be perfect for you. You'll also be able to work in a variety of different settings, from hospitals to local pharmacies. Pharmacy technicians work in a variety of different settings, and their responsibilities can vary based on their work environment. But generally speaking, pharmacists prepare, label, and dispense medications, submit insurance claims, manage data, and understand how various drugs will affect the human body. UMA's Pharmacy Technician program also includes a 180-hour unpaid externship, where you'll learn valuable on-the-job skills in a real-world setting under the supervision of a pharmacist. Our classes also prep qualifying students for the Pharmacy Technician Certification exam. Depending on your state or employer, certification may be required to work in this field. We can work with you so that you understand what you need for your specific state. If you enter this program, you'll take courses on a wide range of topics like anatomy, diseases, math for dosage calculations, and more. Once you complete your career training, you'll be qualified to work in entry-level jobs like retail pharmacy technician. They usually work with customers, measure out medicine, and organize prescriptions in retail settings. Long-term care pharmacy technicians. They usually work with patients who have chronic conditions and require multiple long-standing medications. Hospital pharmacy technicians. They perform pharmacy technician duties in a hospital setting where they give out many different prescriptions throughout the day. These positions can be found at many different national, regional, and local pharmacies throughout the U.S. Does this program sound like the right fit for you? Then don't wait any longer. Join with the thousands of UMA students across the U.S. who are taking the next step toward a brighter future. Connect with UMA today.